Hello everyone, KasturiKreation is here. Welcome back to my channel. Me and my sons are very fond of enjoying chocolates, and you all like cake. As well as I having a special liking for the cute heart-shaped chocolate boxes. But do you know, most of the chocolate boxes cannot be recycled. So I have decided to reuse it. I have entirely remodeled the empty boxes into a reusable pretty resin gift item for my loved one. You can also do the same. By reusing, we can make a change for the better and have a positive impact on the planet Earth. Hope you enjoy this artifact. Always be creative. Kill aim with craftiness, as art is the elimination of unnecessary. Quoted by Pablo Picasso. A creative life is an amplified life. Happy crafting with Kasturi. Thank you so much for supporting me. Bye bye.